Today on Healthy Lifestyle, we're featuring something that's touching our community in a big way, quietly, softly, and sometimes without a single loud warning. So the question we're putting on the table today is simple but powerful. Are you overlooking the early signs of prediabetes? Because somebody listening right now might be. Have you ever eaten a meal, especially a heavy one, and suddenly feel like you need to lie down immediately? We laugh and call it the itis. But here's the thing. Sometimes that's not just food. That's your blood sugar spiking and crashing. Or maybe you're drinking water like you just crossed the desert, running to the bathroom every hour. We blame the weather. We blame age, we blame stress. But these are early signs the body is struggling. These things feel normal, but they're not always normal. Now let's talk about the skin, because your skin will tell you before your blood work does. Dark patches around the neck, elbows, or underarms. A lot of people don't know that can be an early sign of insulin resistance. Skin tags popping up more than usual. Again, something we ignore, but they don't hurt. But the body is whispering, and we have to learn to listen. Let's talk belly fat. Yes, we're going there. That midsection that seems to grow even when you're not eating any differently. We blame age. We blame hormones. We blame stress. But sometimes the body is saying, hey, something is off. When the waistline starts expanding, especially around the middle, that can be one of the earliest signs of insulin resistance. Here's one we don't talk about enough: mood and energy. You ever feel irritable for no reason? Foggy? Drained? Like your brain is moving slower than your body? We chalk it up to stress, to life, to being tired. But blood sugar swings can affect your mood, your clarity, your energy, everything. Sometimes the first sign isn't physical, it's emotional. Another whisper: slow healing. You get a little cut, and it takes forever to close up. Or you bruise easily and don't know why. Or your weight is shifting up or down without you doing anything different. These small changes are often the body's early alarm bells. But because they're not dramatic, we ignore them. And let's be honest, diabetes runs in our communities. Caribbean families, African American families. We've seen aunties, uncles, grandparents, parents struggle with it. But are we paying attention early enough? Or are we waiting for symptoms that may never show? Because here's the big truth. Prediabetes often has no symptoms at all. So the real question becomes, are we afraid to get screened? Or do we simply not know when to check? Awareness is protection. Early detection is power. And small changes today can prevent big problems tomorrow. This is Lady D, your host of the Monday Drive, reminding you, take care of your body, take care of your mind, and take care of each other. And if you want more conversations like this, more truth, more culture, more community, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel at Voices with Lady D. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because together we're building a healthier, stronger, more informed family.